Let's model the process of serving food in a restaurant. Food service is categorized under whole service. Here I am adding a new serving process under whole service. Click the Reflect Changes to update the process modeling page. Let's model the serving process. I am opening the serving process page. In the swim lane, let's define actors for service staff. And the customer. Let's define a process where served food is input to the customer's dine process. Place the product shape, define the product name, and the status. Since it is the final product, set the product type as output product. Now, let's place the external process. Select the external process from the list. Then connect food and dine process. The food is not yet served to the customer's table. To serve the food, we need to know which table to serve. When the table is confirmed, we are ready to serve. Here, another product shape is brought, and we named it food, and the status is table confirmed. And by connecting the two, it shows the food status changes from table confirmed to served. By the way, what else does the service staff need to do to get the food to the right table? The staff needs to remember the table layout in the restaurant. So here I am adding another product named table layout. And the status is remembered. And the product type is invisible product. The table layout remembered by the service staff is an invisible product because it is not tangible. And here it is input to the food served. Now let's define the attributes of the product. If the food is what is ordered and the staff remembers the table layout, then the food should be served to the correct table without any problem. The table layout remembered by the staff will have two attributes, table number and table position in the restaurant. This is the food serving process I defined. We define the relationships between the products by thinking in the backward direction. Let's define system requirements for the completed food servicing process. First, let's set up the systems to execute the food serving process. I think one possible system related to this process can be order slip. Order slip is one of the important tools in a restaurant. So here I am inputting order slip. Since staff is responsible for checking and serving food, we will add another system called staff. If you're going to introduce a food servicing robot to this restaurant, you may want to input robot here. And now I'm reflecting changes. System allocation should be done for each product. The system where order becomes a bill in synchronization with food would be the order slip. Here we define the functions for the order slip. Let's define confirm order as a function of order slip. By allocating systems and defining functions for other products, we can define system requirements that map the structure of the operation. Once the process modeling and the system allocation are completed, the tool can automatically create the system requirements definition document. Let's output the system requirements definition document. Click on the System Requirements button and select the location to save the file and click the Save button. It will automatically do the configuration for you. Since the system requirement definition can be created in a short period of time, you can devote more time to model the business process. And now you're done. Let's take a look at the completed system requirements definition. And we select the serving process. This shows the functional groups. And here are the systems used in this operation. By looking at this column, we can see what functions need to be implemented to the system order slip. This concludes the overview of designing a business process and defining systems requirements using the PReP tool. Thank you.